breakfast in there.
What do you want for breakfast again?
Yeah, go breakfast.
I know you want breakfast, but what breakfast would you like?
I want chocolate breakfast.
Chocolate breakfast? I thought you wanted pancake for breakfast. Oh, wow. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to Team Nagluto Blend's channel. It's Sunday, and everyone requested for
Pancakes.
pancakes for breakfast. Yay!
Tell them, what do you want?
It's a big girl.
Do you want a hamburger? Grab it. Quick, get it out of her nose.
So what do you want for breakfast?
I got breakfast yummy.
You get a breakfast yummy. What is it?
I've got a great breakfast.
Yes. So obviously this is what I use: the self-raising flour, just 1 cup, then 1 cup of the milk, 1 egg, and then just a little bit of rice malt syrup. That's it. Or if you get honey, you can definitely use honey. So I always do it here in a shaker. Yeah. So let's go to it. Cup of milk.
You don't spit it.
I won't spill it.
Don't spit it.
Happy birthday to you.
No one's birthday. Then 1 egg. You already sort of open it.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
It's no one's birthday, guys.
Hip,
Hooray!
hip, hip.
Hooray!
It's my birthday cake.
In the car.
Where's the birthday cake?
Yeah, the car.
Is it Daddy's birthday? And then the rice malt syrup, just a little bit, you know? Just a little bit. Depends how sweet you like, but we don't put sugar in our pancakes. Thank you, Nat. Anyway, that's enough. Thank you. Anyway, and then you just shake it. That's just so easy, very quick. Hey, honey, do you wanna shake?
No.
You said you wanna shake.
Yeah.
Okay, go. You did it. Good job. So yeah, that's it. It's done. Let's go make the pancake. So I just put butter in there, and there you go. Super easy. Up. Sorry about that. Naku, nagdikit na silang dalawa. But anyway, yan. Priya, is it good?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
So she only likes it with just butter, no maple syrup or any sugar, just like that. She'll just eat it, the pancake itself with just the butter. That's it. Just use your hand, Nap. Nap, just use your hand, Nap. Is it good? Really delicious?
Yeah.
Show me. Yum. So it's 8:10 already in the morning, and papunta kami sa soccer lesson ni Priya. Her lesson starts at 8:30, and as usual, late na naman kami for sure kasi it's 25 minutes drive from our house to the place. So yan, late na po ka. Huh? Say hi.
Hi.
I'm late again. Is that your medal?
Yeah.
Show me your medal.
Mental there.
Is that your medal from soccer?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Can you show me close up? Oh, let me see. I just want to see.
So cool.
Oh, wow. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very proud of you. Dad is very proud of you. We're all proud of you. Congratulations, Nag.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, I will stay here. Tapos na kami sa soccer lesson ni Priya. So, papunta na kami ngayon sa AFL na game sa pinsan ni Priya, sa aming niece na si T. And to meet them there kasi birthday din ng sis-in-law ko. So, baka magbabrunch na lang kami or we'll see what we're gonna do after. Pero I'm sure hindi ako makaka-film, guys, kasi very private person sila. So, yeah, hindi ko alam anong gagawin namin. Kaya, see you later na lang, alligator. Nakauwi na kami, guys. 12 o'clock na, so good timing para sa nap time ng mga kids. Kailangan talaga namin umuwi ng ganitong oras, guys, kasi I'm a very routine mom. Pina-follow ko talaga yung nap time na oras na nila para alam niyo na hindi mag-wild ang duha. Okay, mag-wild ang duha pag hindi nakapag nap time, hindi makapag-recharge ng energy. So, I'm very strict to my routine. Okay? So, this one needs her 2-day naps a day, morning and afternoon time. But we have to go at 12 because it's your milk time, isn't it? Okay? So, Priya, is that you? Yeah. So serious. And Priya's nap time at 12:30ish or 12ish. So yan, patulogin ko lang si Priya. And baka mamaya kikitain namin ulit yung family ni Liam. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-film, nakapag-vlog pagkasama ko yung family ni Liam kasi very private person sila. And tsaka nahihiya din naman ako. Dapat pag magkasama kami, banding lang talaga. You know, catch up lang talaga. Can I say good night na lang?
Yes. Good night.
Good night. It's time for your nap time. Okay? Okay. It's 12:30 and Priya's already asleep. And while I was trying to do that, Liam gave Bella her milk. So now I'm trying to put her to sleep. I'll show you guys. Yan. Oh, I think she's already asleep. Yeah, she's asleep. That was fast. I think because she didn't really have her decent nap this morning because we were out and about. But yeah. Umalis din si Liam, pumunta sa gym, kaya ako nagmi-me time kunyari, nag-alone time kunyari. Ito yung peaceful time ko when both girls are having their nap. So yan, may free time akong maglinis ng bahay. Ito yung free time ko na mag-study. Yan, so ngayon ginagawa ko both. While naglalaba ako, nagsa-study din ako. Yan. Ay, hindi ka po study. Ay, Diyos ko. Kaya medyo stricto talaga ako sa aming routine, guys. Sa aming everyday routine. Para ma-fit in ko lahat ng schedule namin ba. Para magawa ko lahat ng mga dapat kong gagawin. At ganun din sila para magawa niya din yung lahat ng gagawin niya. Ever since baby pa talaga si Priya, may routine na talaga akong pina-follow, and then same din kay Bella. Nag-start na ako mag-sleep routine kay Bella, and then yung food niya din. Ngayon, si Priya, one nap a day na lang siya. But of course, Bella is still a baby. Now she's having 2 naps a day every morning and then afternoon. So pag 7 o'clock, 7-ish, yan, tutulog na si Bella, and then ganun din kay Priya, 7:30-ish, matutulog na din yan siya sa gabi sa gabi. Yan, tas nagigising sila at siguro 6:30-ish, yan. So pinakalate na yung 7 a.m. na nagigising sila. So yan. So yeah, I am one of those mom who is very strict in our everyday or every night routine. Kasi guys, wala naman akong katulong dito sa bahay. Ako lang naman talaga gumagawa dito, o kaya si Liam. Yan, tinutulungan naman ako ni Liam, in fairness. So, yan, hinahanap din yan ni Priya yung routine niya. Kunyari, like 7:30 p.m. na, parang siya na yung magsasabi na bedtime niya na, ganun. Kasi yung body clock niya instant nagsiswitch sa routine niya. Siguro pinaka-late na natulog si Priya is 9:30 p.m. Yan yung pinaka-late niya. Siguro pag may special occasions, pwede ko siyang payagan na mag-sleep ng ganyang ka-late. Pero halos talaga, every night talaga, 7:30, 7-ish, 8 o'clock yan. Sleep na talaga yung mga kids na yan. Follow the routine, guys. It's the best. Lalo na pag wala kayong katulong sa bahay, yung ikaw lang. Yeah. The best talaga ang may routine. So, nag-decide kami guys na hindi kami aalis ng bahay. So, chill-chill lang kami dito sa bahay namin, of course. So, chill-chill na lang kami dito para na din makapag-rest din si Priya. Kasi very big morning naman talaga yung ginawa namin kanina. So, nakapag-day off din ako sa pagluto, guys. Kasi may chef ako ngayon. May chef ako tonight. Nagluluto siya. In fairness, ha? Once in a blue moon na siya magluto. So, sagdan lang na ko ni siya. Say hi to my chef.
Hi, Chef.
Hi, chef. So, once a year lang to nagluluto. Kaya, gora na. Kagwapo sa ako ang chef. Oh, nagsarawa na siya magluto.
Getting the food already.
Yeah, what are you cooking?
It's got ages to go.
Oh, that's alright, because I'm still gonna cook our rice. What? Can you tell them what you're cooking?
Grilled sausage out of the packet.
Yes, you haven't cooked that for like 3 years. It's been so long. So I'm really looking forward for this food tonight. Really good, guys. Yeah, we'll update you later. Yan, nagluto din ako ng rice, guys. You know naman, rice is life. Yan, luto na yung niluto ni Liam na deviled sausage. Namiss ko to, sobra. Sarap nito. May nilagyan na ng tomato sauce yung green apple, tsaka onion, and then tomato sauce. Yun lang. Yummy! Kain na kami. So, tulog na yung mga bata, guys. It's already 7:30 and tulog na si Bella and Priya. Ngayon parang kami kakain ng dinner. So, thank you, honey, for cooking dinner tonight.
You're welcome.
So, bye. Thank you again for watching our vlog, and we'll see you next time. Bye.